Hey everyone, Kuya Weeds here. Today, I have an unboxing for you guys. As you can tell from the colors, it's a little Christmas themed. Anywho, I'll show you guys what the box looks like first. Okay, so yeah, this is the whole box. You know what I mean? Like, let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness. I'm balancing this on my knees, on my lap. How am I doing this? You'll never know. XOXO. Just kidding. Wow. Big white box. But yeah, let me just do a little unveiling. So we got a nice big ass box over here. This is the side of the box. Okay, there's nothing on the other side, but the front side is where it's at. Wow, this is pretty cool. The Grinch, Dr. Seuss, the lighted decor, lights up 3 feet tall for indoor and outdoor use. You know what I'm saying? This is pretty cool. Wow. So yeah, let's see what it looks like in person. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay guys, so yeah, this is the Grinch right here. It's kind of light. Oh, not too heavy obviously. Yeah, for sure. It's definitely 3 feet. This is his face. Yeah, we got his chest. This is what we're looking at. You can see his green, hairy bottoms. And this is the back. Let's see what he looks like when he's lit. And here he is, all lit. Lit up. Yeah, it's kind of whatever. Like, you know. I mean, overall, it's pretty cool. Well, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. This was a fun video. We just got one item, and it's pretty lit. I'm on my. How many times did I say that? My bad. Anyway, happy holidays, everyone. I probably want to see you guys till New Year's, so you guys have a good one. See y'all next year.